Unfortunately, due to some recent events and a continuous barrage of people not following requests with providing photo images and the model numbers, and also their phone number when replying to email, I'll be no longer helping with email help and any sort of communication help whatsoever regarding the heat surge unit. Because a lot of times I get a lot of people that are disrespectful, wasting my time, and they just can't follow the simple directions with my email. When they're replying with their cell phones, they take 3 days to reply, so I'm no longer doing it. Besides that, continuous happening over the last 3 years with helping people with the bypass fix, which obviously mine's working. It's on now. Several people like this following guy. I usually delete the comments. I usually don't even respond to. And I only had first audacity to sit there and say something ignorant to me, but then ask me for my help. Like, what kind of planet are you living on that you sit there and disrespect somebody and call them whatever you said, and then you have the audacity to ask me for my help because you can't figure out the problem that I've provided plenty of videos for information, and especially just like some of the people that, like, I need pictures of the inside of the unit to where those connections are that I explained in each video. Like, since all the heat surges are basically wired differently, some of the models that are different than my 3 versions of it, so I need to be able to see the pictures of the inside. Not picture far away like people have been sending me, or picture not even accessing to the point where the tip switch is. I need to see where the tip switch is. Like one of the last people that I was replying to, and I asked to see the picture of the tip switch because, you know, I needed to see that connection. It was hidden underneath. They're from Canada, so they had some kind of, they said it was a Russian version of it, of heat surge, and, well, it wasn't the tip switch itself on that particular model wasn't located on top. It was located on bottom, like in the middle of the back somewhere, but they wouldn't remove the back panel so I could see that switch. I can't see what I'm supposed to need to help you with if you can't provide an image with it. Since a lot of the heat surges are different color coordinated, and they're not always, you know, the same colors, and setups are a lot different. So if you want me to help you, you gotta help me help you. Help me help you. But never mind, it's besides the point. I'm done helping people online for free. If you want my help, it's gonna be $20, PayPal only. Other than that, then keep moving. Cry somewhere else. Find somebody else that will make you pay $100 to fix that simple problem, or just go and buy that little part. It's a spade connector. It's all you gotta do if you can't do the simple fix that I keep showing and explaining to people with a video format, tutorial guide. Not much more I can explain whenever it's freaking black and yellow color, you know. You can buy the spade connectors at pretty much any store, like Home Depot. You can buy them at Home Depot. Maybe get a pack of them. They're already pre-assembled connectors. But just avoid the ones that are not assembled, because people will be too stupid to figure those out too, because you have to, the ones that aren't pre-assembled, you'd have to shave the wire like how you strip a wire. Then you'd have to feed it through to the little end, the little crimping end. You have to crimp it. But seeing that people can't follow 2 simple instructions, I just buy the pre-assembled version of the links and reinstall them that way. So due to hundreds and hundreds over the last 3 years since I've had the videos up, provide the fixes, people just waste my time and my email, making me wait days and weeks for each respond when they're responding to me through using their cell phones to my email. So I'm done. Go ask somebody else. I'm sure there's 100 people just dying to help you out for heat surge that aren't trying to Jew you in prices.